Eldar rely on stealth and trickery where others trust in direct force and valor. An ancient and debased people, the aliens only sully their hands in battle when they have no choice. When the Eldar's enemies at last tracked down their hidden base of operations in Tyrea, the far-seer Taldir turned to a strategy of trickery. In this, she followed the ways of her ancient and deceitful race. Her forces were centered on a great reinforced hill in a remote, frozen area with very limited access. To cut off these access points, the Far-Seer lured Cat's Paws to Tyrea. Orcs, dissatisfied with the war of Warlord Gorguts, followed advice whispered by Taldir's warlocks and camped right where they could screen the Eldar from attackers. The Eldar, nevertheless, built a substantial force of their own. Advanced webway gates allowed them to ferry troops from the Wraith ship hiding behind a holofield somewhere in the Cronus system. But these same gates were the Eldar's great weakness. If attackers could take and hold them, Taldir would be cut off from reinforcements and any hope of escape. Alone and outnumbered, the Eldar would be caught in their own trap.
All is prepared.
Excellent. Exarch Racanis, take your warp spiders to their positions and then return to the Aspect Shrine.
We are on our way.
You have doubts, Harlequin?
I trust in your vision, Taldir of Oathway, but to stand surrounded by primitives makes me uneasy.
I understand your distaste, but Eldar rely on speed and stealth. We are not made for entrenched positions. The Orcs, however, make for excellent tools. They will keep the supply roads closed and our true enemies weak.
And if these attackers defeat the Orcs?
I do not doubt they will overcome our Cat's Paws, but it will cost them. And in their weakened state, they will face the Wailing Doom itself. The Seer Council has named the young king. Exarch Racanis of the Warp Spider Shrine shall sacrifice himself to awaken our most powerful warrior, the Avatar of Cain.
None shall escape my wrath.
I shall obey.
Heresy grows from idleness. Objective acquired. Claim it in the name of the Emperor.
Today the
Captain,
shall
we have
live.
discovered an Eldar forward encampment. The Farseer herself is there.
In such an exposed location. With any luck, we may be able to eliminate the alien in one stroke.
What is your will?
Under
Yes, Lord.
fire.
What would you have me do? Follow me into battle!
What is your will? Lord? Yes, Lord.
The Emperor protects.
What is your will? Yes, Lord.
Mission accomplished. Defending objective.
721 initiated. With all due haste.
We stand ready.
The Emperor protects.
Yes, my lord. Onward to glory!
I await your instructions. I shall obey. As you wish. Yes, Lord. Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated. I will do as you ask. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
At your command. Moving out.
My faith is my shield.
What is your order?
Here to serve. I await your instructions. Here to serve. Here to serve. I shall obey. I exist to serve. Most beneficent one. As you wish. I await your instructions. Build routine 721. Most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol. Build routine 721. Initiated. Most beneficent one. I will do as you
On
ask.
alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Taking damage.
What would you have me do? Space Marines, advance! I shall not fail.
Fall back!
I await your instructions. Initializing build protocol.
Squad morale restored.
I will do as you ask. Here to serve. I exist to serve. Here to serve. I will do as you ask.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Yes, most beneficent one. Here to serve.
Awaiting orders. Engaging the enemy. Attacking as ordered, taking heavy fire. Crush the runs!
Beware the alien, the mutant.
Yes, my lord. None shall stop us. Shoot! Chop! Shoot! Chop! Orders received.
There's more than just puny elders here. We was right to split off from Gorguts' lot. We're gonna have
Yes,
us a
most
proper war
beneficent one.
right here. War!
Build
We should use the squiggers on them.
initiated.
No, leave them be.
Stand
The
ready.
squiggers ain't trained yet. I don't want to get stuck
will
straight
do
to
as
bits
you
of me
ask.
after their feet.
Yes, my lord.
Here to serve, as you wish. I will do as you ask. I await your instructions. Yes, Lord. I exist to serve. Yes, Lord. I exist to serve.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Here to serve.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
A fast strike in and
The
out.
enemy is attacking!
I await your instructions. I will do as you ask. Here to serve. Yes, Lord.
Apothecary ready. Marine squad deployed. Apothecary ready. The fallen shall be forever remembered as the Emperor's finest. The enemy is attacking! At your command. Charge! Understood. Commencing attack. Marine squad deployed. How can I serve? Apothecary here. How can I serve? Apothecary here. Apothecary here.